How to sign in to McDonald's app. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, first of all, you'll have to make sure that McDonald's application is installed in your mobile device. If not, you can get it from App Store. Now once you install it, simply open it. Now once you open it, you'll find this kind of interface. Now from your screen, simply tap on Login and then tap on Login again. Now in this login page, go ahead and enter your email address, your password, and then tap on Login again. But if in case you have forgotten your password, simply tap on Forgot your password and then you'll be able to reset your password using your email address. But if in case you don't have an existing account, you can then tap on Sign Up link and then create a new account for McDonald's. And once you do that, you'll then be able to sign in to McDonald's app. And that is how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.